1, 2, 3, triple bottom. Everybody see this? Yep, right there, triple bottom. Boom.
Same with the Qs, coach.
Yep. This is a call setup, but it is to the downside, so you know it's riskier. You also know if this comes back right away, coming right back down here to support, watch your ass if you're trying to go long. But this is where we make a quick buck. If you guys have been anywhere near my training at all, you would have already done it because you would have already seen this. You would have already seen this. You would have already known that's a triple bottom, and you would have already known that is calls on support. You just now would have made your money. It popped up above the 200. You would be collecting and or scooting your stop up to make sure that trade stays green. Textbook, triple bottom. Everybody's about to get paid. Look at the SPY retest. That's a quadruple bottom. It came right back for an immediate test. Didn't we do this with Amazon? There you go. There you go. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt, but this is a huge make money moment. I told you when it hit the triple bottom and it bounced above the 200, I said, if it immediately comes back, it's bearish again, and you knew what to do. We already did it with Amazon. Yes?